Okay, today on Tommy Bird, Thomas eats balls.
Cheesy balls at that.
First of all,
Fed to him by my sister.
Let's see how many.
I don't eat balls.
Hey. 1.
Oh. Wait, you're not counting?
Oh, your birthday. Yeah, I won, so I don't know why
What? Wait,
No! No one's saying nobody but my pizza. Give it all back. It isn't mine. I'm playing again, but... Or am I going the other way this time? Yeah, you did.
I'll
do that.
No! No!
Why can't I
What?
This is a straight email from my friend Rod. Your story is not in here.
That's fucked up!
How many was that?
I don't know. I wasn't counting.
Yeah, you weren't counting.
I'm filming, I'm not counting.
Let's see how many you can actually fit in your mouth.
Alright.
1.
Oh.
2,
Oh.
3. Don't bite any of them. 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're telling her!
8, 9, 10. 11.
No, you're not going to kill me because you missed my cooking too much. No.
12? Is that 12? 13.
13.
14. 15.
balls. I think you can fit one more right here.
16 balls.
Chris, 16 balls can fit in his mouth at one time. Wow.
How many?
Now.
I bet I could get more.
Thomas, you got anything to say?
Hey, he's got a bet. Chris, hey, we got a bet. He thinks he can fit more than 16. If you ever do this, mine.
What?
Are you ready?
Yes.
2, 3, 4,
Now he's starting to look
5,
like a
6, 7, 8.
That's only half, and he looks
Nine.
like full already.
10.
Holy shit, there you go!
I look like a chipmunk throwing nuts for the winter.
One
I've only
more?
had 2 of my wisdom teeth
10.
on this side. Wait,
Got
this
10.
side. Actually, it wasn't a wisdom tooth. It was my back molar that was pulled. My wisdom tooth pushed itself into the
11.
My sister's, this is the top of the tooth.
12.
My older sister, her wisdom teeth were like this against her molar. So as long as they weren't hurting her,
13.
she didn't have them removed, although she could have. Mine
14.
were at a 45-degree angle.
Oh boy.
And I probably
15.
got a crowning problem. So all 4 of mine
You
had
can take
to
to say that Thomas has a bigger mouth.
on the upper part
Look.
came out. They had
16.
4 'cause it broke on
16.
me
Tied.
and everything, and then I still have the 2 on the
17.
bottom.
17 balls.
That ball's half out. So 16 and a half.
There.
Oh, you got it. Oh!
I think we can fit one in the middle.
18.
Oh yeah? Well, what's that?
Damn it!
Oh, cheese cracker!
You're contaminating the cheese ball.
Damn it, cheese balls! They're not my balls!
You ain't got none.
Ain't got none, man.
No, Mom, he's got 3. What are you talking
What you
about?
talking about, lady? Okay.
And this concludes. Be nice.
Hey, let me tell you, I'm not scared. Hey.
Oh shit!
Say it.
Ow!
Okay.
Ow!
1 second.
Okay, 1.
Chris, Mom needs to be educated.
It should be fine, shouldn't it?
I don't think it'll be a problem.
It won't be a problem.
Okay, and this concludes another
Yeah.
episode of Tommy Bird.
Whatever. Fuck off.